Hello, and thanks for tuning in to your weekly U.S. weather outlook here at landscapetoday.net. I'm day weather meteorologist Don Day. Here's what we're watching for you. More rain coming for the southern plains and lower Mississippi Valley. Yes, East Texas, which saw up to 20 inches of rain this past week, is going to get more. The Mississippi Valley as well. The Midwest and Corn Belt will be getting some precipitation, which could slow down some planting in the Corn Belt coming up for this upcoming growing season. Wet in the Rockies and Plains. The Rockies seeing some huge snows over the last week. They're probably going to get more in the next coming weeks, and the adjacent plains as well. Some precipitation for California and the Pacific Northwest. Central and Northern California probably going to get the bulk of the rain. Not much in Southern California, but we'll take a little closer look at that coming up here. Now, jet stream shows a ridge of high pressure along the west coast, this area of low pressure in the nation's midsection. This storm right here responsible for up to 4 to 5 feet of snow in the Colorado Rockies last weekend. And this system is dissipating, but it's also the same storm responsible for the huge rains that fell in East Texas in this area right here. These slow-moving spring storms are typical for El Nino, and we're not done with these. We're going to have more as we go through the rest of April and into early May. The jet stream forecast in about a week shows that low pressure again comes off the Pacific and through the areas of the southern plains and the southern Rockies. So more rain and snow will be falling in this portion of the United States next week. Inflow ahead of this low coming in from the south will unfortunately mean more heavy rain in already soaked areas here, especially East Texas, the lower Mississippi Valley, and in those areas there. Winter wheat country and other areas that needed the precipitation are likely going to get more here in the coming week. When we look at the precipitation forecast over the next week, we see the heavier precipitation again in areas of southeast Texas where they really don't need it. We'll then see this precipitation expand into the Corn Belt and the western areas of the Corn Belt. This area here, some areas could use some rain, but it's also going to delay some planting. The precipitation here in Colorado, Wyoming, and Montana, back into Utah, will be in the form of rain and snow. Snowpack conditions are really good. And this portion of the nation here, snowpacks remain good in central and northern California. They're going to be getting some more precipitation as well. There is a chance that Southern California will get a little bit of rain, not as much as we would like. But late this month and into early May, Southern California still has some chances to get some El Nino precipitation. Thanks for tuning in to landscapetoday.net. We'll see you next week. I'm day weather meteorologist Don Day.